All right, that's 2 white onions that we sliced. All right, and that's our 6 thighs with the skin on. All right, now we're gonna season up our chicken thighs with some pepper, but you can season this however you like. I just think that pepper is necessary for majority of savory dishes, but especially for this easy 1-pan dinner. And then of course we're gonna come in with a little bit of salt, but if you're watching your sodium, you can skip the salt. But I really think that salt brings a great flavor to chicken, so I always have to add it. Now we have some garlic powder that we're gonna add, and we're gonna add a nice little sprinkle. But like I said, you can add whatever you want. I even think that like a ranch seasoning packet would be delicious with this, but I didn't have any, so we are just making a yummy little concoction here. I have some onion powder, and it might seem like a lot of onion and garlic flavors here, but that is the beauty of this dish. It is for our onion and garlic lovers. We're gonna finish this off with some freeze-dried rosemary, which I think goes beautiful with chicken and with onions. So we're just gonna do a nice little sprinkle of that. These are well-seasoned chicken, which is gonna bring so much flavor. It might seem like a lot, but it really is gonna taste really delicious and bring some great flavors to this dish. Beautiful. I told you it's a lot of garlic. We're gonna add a little bit of garlic on each one because I love some actual garlic in this dish. Get like a little squirt of our garlic right on each thigh. And I'm using the thighs, but you can use breasts. You can use whatever cut of chicken you like. And we are just flattening out that garlic right on top of that beautiful chicken skin, just like so. Oh, that garlic and onion smells amazing. And we're not done yet. We have our Parmesan garlic sauce. Now this is the secret ingredient. You have to get this Buffalo Wild Wings Parmesan garlic sauce. It is incredible, especially on chicken and especially with those onions. It literally is a game changer. And I think we're gonna try to use almost this whole entire bottle because it is the perfect amount for the amount of chicken that we're doing. Come back with that spatula and get those smothered in that sauce. This is gonna have so much flavor. It's gonna be tender, it's gonna be juicy, it's gonna be everything you want in a chicken dinner. But we're not done yet. I am gonna bring in my Parmesan cheese shredded. And this is really just gonna bring everything together. We're gonna do a nice sprinkle of our cheese right on top. Oh my, yum. All right, and this does need to be topped with some foil. We're gonna cook it for 30 minutes with the foil on, and then 30 minutes without the foil. So a total of 60 minutes in the oven at 350. Oh my, this smells absolutely incredible. You guys make sure to rotate it when you're cooking it so that it gets an even brownness, but oh, I mean, come on. Let's dig into this. Get some of those onions, chicken. Oh, this would be great with a side salad or some green beans. Let's cut into this.
You have it with an onion salad.
Oh yeah, that skin is gonna be beautiful. Oh, get a bite. It's too hot to get anything bigger than that.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh, that is my new favorite chicken dinner. You guys have to try it.